Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, the Nigerian nomad. I hope that you guys are doing fantastic. So, if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I'm taking you guys on a step-by-step journey of completing the first house of Green Paradise. And I know some of you guys are like, show us more, we want to see more. Some of my clients are like, we want to see the steps. I'm like, fine, I'll show you. So yesterday, or the last video that I posted, I communicated to everyone that we needed to put the project on hold for a little bit because I saw some spaces that I needed to adjust. I needed to move the visitors' toilets to the front. So, and then there's other things that we needed to sort out, like window placement, making a room multifunctional, guest room rearrangements, a little bit of like a window shifting, closing some windows, all of that. But we finally sorted all of that out. And then today's video is really the mechanical and electrical installation of the house. So today I just wanted to take you guys on a journey of what that looks like. All right, so I'm back here day 2. So now that we have corrected all the minor things that I needed to correct, that I had to put this thing on hold. If all fixed, then we're back in action now. So essentially what's happening is that we are getting ready to cast the top area. And then they have already started the electrical and mechanical. Let me just give you guys a quick preview. Coming through. So they are just putting all the mixtures up there. I could show. Right there. Okay, so let me show you guys electricals. Well done. So this is what we are talking about. So before they actually put wires, they do what they call conduit piping, really. So they have all these pipes, all these electrical pipes, sockets. So by the time we're ready to, they'll just run all the wires through. So they literally cut through everywhere. So that's where you're seeing sockets everywhere. You guys will see, there's one here, there's one here. Let me show you guys some more. If you guys can also see, you guys can see the stairs is taking shape. Come on. As you guys can see, there is electrical sockets here. Electrical. But anyways, this is some underground conduits here that they're running. And then for piping and plumbing, come and check it out. So you can see, we have the mechanicals, we have some piping here, some piping here, some piping here. A lot of just random piping. There's also some of where waste sewage, wastewater, everything would happen. It's already been piped. But let's check out the casting upstairs. Let me give you guys a preview. So one of the main things to put together before you do the decking of the property is to make sure that all your electrical fittings and plumbing and everything is perfect. Because when we do renovation for clients, more times than not, I find myself always having to change sockets, add sockets, change plumbing. So from the get-go, I am on site, making sure that everything is where everything is supposed to be. Like for example, I realized that they put the AC wiring and also an AC switch directly right where the curtains are supposed to be. So those types of amendments is what I would make on site. But electrical drawing. And I'm also asking them, where's the electrical drawings that you are following? Are you following our plan, or is it on the electrical plan? They are technically using what they call conduit piping. So it's just a shortcut way. So if you're not ready to do all your electricals, you can run these pipes through all the holes before you cast, so that when you're ready to run the electricals, you just run them through all of those holes and everything is gonna go where they're supposed to go. Because once you cast, it's like, and you do everything, it's almost too late because now you have to start breaking to rechannel everything that you want to do. Very, very crucial step. Another cool thing is the mechanical, which they actually did a first plumbing, like running of the piping in the beginning. before they did that German floor at the bottom. So they ran all the sewage, all the piping, everything that they connected. But then the plumber is also coming back to now do the surface level piping this time, which is connecting what goes to the top eventually, connecting the WCs that's going to be hung, where the hand washing basin is going to be. A lot of like surface level stuff is now also being worked on as well. So now, once all of that gets sorted out, then we are ready to start casting at the top. So one thing that you see now is also the stairs structure is more defined now. You get from last time, I think I just showed you guys some iron. Last time I showed you guys the video in one of the videos, but now you can actually see the defined steps, which is like just molding the shape that the steps are going to be before they cast. And then finally, we have started casting at the top. So what we're doing is we're also having some slabs that are coming in, but before all of those slabs can come in, you have to have all these iron rebars, you have to cast all these edges for complete structural integrity. Then once we do that, we will now cast. So essentially, this video is just a quick update to just show you guys this quick, small, tiny step that we have to do really quickly before we cast and move on to the second floor. I cannot wait to get to the second floor. Again, this is just a very, 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 very quick updates video for you guys. Now, I also want to use this opportunity to remind you all, remember earlier this month, I had this special. This special is if you purchased any home in Green Paradise for the month of March, you will get 10 million Naira off. And we'll also secure a line for you in the resort area. And the resort area is the area that you can have an apartment that's commercial, that you can cash flow. So we're building a beautiful nature resort, and your house can be one of the houses that we use for vacation rentals, and you make monthly cash flow on it. So we want to kick off that resort by the end of this year. Matter of fact, Dirty December, we want people to come in during Dirty December. So I'm hoping to make that deadline. So if you're interested, a 2-bedroom bungalow is 70 million Naira. Comes fully furnished. Not all these like houses that you see where developers are using like, inferior materials and then they expect you to change it. We're giving you quality materials right from the get-go. Fully finished. You just have to bring in your furniture and your appliances. A 3-bedroom bungalow is 80 million Naira. And then a 4-bedroom duplex is 165 million Naira. So yeah, whichever one that you want, we would love to welcome you into our community. So yeah, so you have like roughly, 6 days to take advantage of this offer. So again, we also are open to payments plans. So even if you want to do a payments plan, the deposit locks you in for this rate that we have. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Oh, by the way, if you also want to land bank as well, there's also opportunities for that in the other phases of the estate. Let us know. That's all I have for today. I am going to do a full FAQ video on the next video to break down every single question I've been asked in the comments and WhatsApp messages and email. I'm going to bring it onto video and answer all of them one by one. So make sure to watch out for that video. It will be coming soon in a day or two. And lastly, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.